Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello students, now we are going to discuss classification of substances based on the allowness of light through them. There are three types of substances are there. First one is opaque, second one is transparent, third one is translucent. Again, transparent substances have been classified into two types. First one is rarer medium, second one is denser medium. Now let us discuss in detail about the substances. Coming to the opaque substance, opaque substances are the substances which doesn't allow light through them completely. Such kind of substances are called opaque substances. For example, take a metal plate, place it in the presence of light or allow to fall the light on them. By means of that you will observe the shadow. See, why does this shadow will form? Whenever light is fall on the metal surface, entire light will be reflected. Clear? By means of that, this side you will get the shadow. Clear, students? So by means of the opaque substances, we are going to be get a shadow. Example for these kind of substances are a human being, metal plate, brick, wood, etc. Coming to the second one, transparent substances. The transparent substances are nothing but the substance which allows light through them completely. The substance which allow light through them completely. Such kind of substances are called translucent substances. See, whenever light is passing through the substance, it will allow the light. Clear? Example for such kind of substances are air, glass, etc. Next, again, I am going to be classified the transparent substances into two types, denser medium and rarer medium. To explain this concept, I am going to be take the interface of air, water. So let us consider these. The dotted medium is air. Now I have taken the light and which I allowed the light on the interference of air and water. Then what will happen later? You are going to be know about this concept. Now you should remember this like this only. So whenever light is passing, due to the less particle density in air, the light will travel much more speed whenever we compare the speed of light in water. Why? Because in the air there are few particles which doesn't obstruct the speed of the light. By means of that, light will travel more speed when we compare with the water. Why? Because in water so many water particles are there. By means of that, whenever the light is bombarded with them, the velocity of the light is going to be decreased. So based on this concept, the substances, again, the transparent substances have been classified into two types. One is denser medium. Coming to the second one is rarer medium. In denser medium, due to the presence of high particle density, the velocity of the light will be decreases. Coming to the rarer medium, due to the presence of less particle density, the velocity of the light is more. Coming to the third classification, translucent substance, the substance which allows light through them partially. Such kind of substances are called translucent substances. Means they will allow both reflection as well as refraction. That you should understood. See, for suppose I had taken the interference of the translucent substance. By means of the translucent substance, nothing but here I had taken oil paper. You will get both reflection as well as refraction. So reflection and refraction both will be allowed in case of the translucent substance. Underline that whatever the concept I explained, this is for ideal substances. Thank you. Refraction concept. First, I will do small activity. Then after later I will explain the concept of refraction. To understand the concept of refraction, I took a glass jar. In that glass jar, I poured some water. I took half of the volume of the glass or glass jar. Now I placed a pencil. Now I place a pencil like this. If at all you observe the pencil from the sidewise, nothing but from the side of the glass, the pencil will be observed like some bent in it. Clear? If at all you took the pencil out from the glass jar, you won't get any bend. Clear, students? Means from this activity we can conclude that whenever the light is entering from one medium to another medium, it will bend or bends towards the normal or bends away from the normal. See, here if at all you consider the medium, this medium is air, this medium is water. See, whenever you saw the pencil from this side, it will be bent towards this position. Clear? In the next step, I am observing the pencil from the top side. So whenever you observe the pencil from top side, it will be the size of the pencil will be increased, the thickness of the pencil will be increased. These two consequences which you are going to be learned by performing this activity. From this activity, it is clear that whenever the light is traveling from one medium to another medium, it will bend. Clear, students? Later we will discuss what happens when it is traveling from rarer medium to denser medium and denser medium to rarer medium. Now we are going to be define the refraction. Refraction is nothing but the phenomena of traveling of light from one medium to another medium. Clear? The phenomena of entering of light from one medium to another medium. This is called refraction. See, here I have taken one of the incident ray. See children, whenever you are representing the ray, you should represent the ray by using the direction. Many of the students are not representing the arrow mark. Definitely you should represent. Otherwise, it is a meaningless diagram. So, AO I had taken as the incident ray. In the similar way, OB I had taken as the refracted ray. Next, M and N dash is the normal. The angle between AO and ON dash, nothing but NN dash, is I considered as I. I is nothing but angle of incidence. The angle between the incident ray and normal, that is called angle of incidence. The point where the incident ray is met on the interference, that point I took as a point of incidence. O here I had taken as point of incidence. Now the angle between the normal and the refracted ray I consider as the angle of refraction. Clear? So far we discussed the definition.
Please subscribe for more videos. Wow Academy for Physics. Thank you.